good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tori, aka Krusty.
Oh my god! What is that?
So over here, y'all. Big sticks, big sticks, big sticks, big sticks.
Draco. So she make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it.
Hey, my name is Tori, aka goldenrose, aka Krusty, aka Tired. You're watching Disney Channel. Sorry.
Okay.
You know, you've read that in the description. Today is Retwist Day. Watching Retwist Day on my 1 month anniversary. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get straight into the video. All right, y'all. So your girl just woke up, as you can tell. I ain't got that much energy. I'm just gonna start off with a do-rag.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I'm about to show you how my hair look when I just like wake up. Like, yeah.
What?
Sorry y'all if they look a little musty crispy here. I don't have my big ring light that I normally film with, so I'm filming with my little small one, little one that you take on the go. Yeah. But this is basically Ooh, baby, what is this? What is this? Ooh, child. So, yeah, this is how we waking up. I just want to show y'all the new growth. Look at this. I don't even know, like, bro, like, what is this? We're only a month in, baby. Like, why are you that much? It's alright, I ain't gonna complain. Some are, you know, worse than others. Right now, I'm gonna get in the shower and wash my hair. Pure Castile soap, Dr. Bronner's. This is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. I only got a little bit in this bottle, but this is enough to wash my body and my hair. Dr. Bronner's, courtesy of Dr. Bronner's. Not a paid promotion of Dr. Bronner's, but Dr. Bronner's is the ish. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go wash my hair, and I'm definitely gonna come back in the video with a wash head, and yeah. All right, y'all, this is fresh out the shower, wet hair. This is how, I'm splashing water all over my phone. This is how I am looking and coming to you live after the shower. I want you guys to see, these are my parts. Nice and clean scalp, sorry. Look at this, y'all. As you can see, they sticking to each other. Let me get and show you guys the back of my hair. This is the back. I'm just gonna drop some down so you guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys the items I'm gonna use for my retwist today. The first thing I'm going to be using is this oil concoction that I made. If you guys wanna know what it is, I put it in my last video with my 3-week update. It is Jamaican black castor oil, wild growth oil, and a little bit of tea tree oil. Yes, I love this oil. It's immaculate. Another thing that you're gonna need today is duck clips. Some regular old elastic bands that I got from the dollar store. A rat tail comb, we need a rat tail comb at the end to help you, get the little crisp parts. A spray water bottle just to keep your hair wet. And what I will be retwisting my hair with today is what I started with, which is the tropical roots. And let's see how sorry, but tropical roots, and yeah. So let's get to it. Hey y'all. Oh, I don't know what I am doing in this scene. Obviously, I was listening to some good behind music. Yes, please, yeah, please stop. Please stop. So as you guys can see, this is my hair after it's freshly washed. I'm going to take and put some of that oil mixture that I told you guys about. I'm going to put that all through my hair. Make sure it is fully saturated. Make sure you get them edges. Make sure you get, like, especially your problem areas, like, make sure that oil is on there and your hair is, like, moisturized. Now, I know you guys may be wondering, like, girl, that is a lot of oil. Honestly, this is how I did my hair when I was loose natural. I just make sure my hair is fully saturated and moisturized all over, because I do have thick hair. So I make sure, you know, that moisture is getting to my scalp. Notice how I'm putting it on my scalp, guys. On my scalp. Right here in this clip, I'm just massaging my scalp, making sure everything is distributed evenly. Right here, what you're going to need is some elastic hair ties. You're going to use these and section off your hair, so it makes things a little bit more easier when you're retwisting your hair, just to keep everything else out of the way. So I was blessed to find a mirror that I can see the back of my head. Ew, what are you doing? See the back of my head. So I'm going to start off by misting it, getting my hair all moisturized and saturated. Put some oil on my parts and the locks. And I'm just going to start parting them. So what you guys are going to start seeing coming up is I'm going to do some things that are like, girl, what are you doing? So please don't come for me. This is my first retwist, and I did learn gradually, and soon at the end of the clip, you are going to see me just get fed up, and I'm just like, okay, let me get the back of my head down first, and then I'm going to see y'all. Alright, y'all, we are almost done. Sorry, I had to do my hair and then come back. I retwisted the back. I am palm rolling. That is the method I'm using, and I have one last roll left. It is now 12:05. Hopefully, like, you know, as I get used to my hair, it'll be much easier. Okay, sorry y'all. So back to square root one. Make sure you get those parts. Put the oil in those parts. Now, right here in this clip, my hair is already semi-parted. I'm just gonna take my tropical roots locking gel, take a little bit of that. Not too much, you don't want too much buildup. You're gonna take that, rub a little bit, and put it on the new growth of the lock. You can evenly distribute it, as you can see. Now, I really want you guys to pay attention to this. In this video, I am checking out my lock because I did start my hair with 2-strand twist, so I have to go with the way of that my hair was twisted. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm saying, but if I were to go the opposite way, my hair would definitely unravel. So that's one thing with 2-strand twist. Make sure you're going the exact way that your twist is going. All right, y'all, this is an advisory for my people who started their locks with 2-strand twists. Now I want you guys to look at this lock. If I would get back in the camera, Remember how I told you guys before in my previous videos, you will have those strands that will just come loose. They just don't want to lock. They want to come loose. All you do is twist them bad boys back up. Don't think nothing of it, nothing less. Don't worry. Don't worry about if you're doing the right thing or doing the wrong thing. You are. Your hair just likes to be hard-headed. All you do is just twist that bad boy back up. It is bound to happen with twists, 2-strand twists. And look, in the video, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to twist my finger a little bit just to see which way my twist is going. And I'm going to palm roll in that direction that I twisted. Palm roll all the way down and clip. Please, if you got to rewind it, rewind it. This is crucial. So I'm just going to let the videos play because I'm literally just going to be repeating the same steps all over again and just, you know, twisting up my hair. So feel free to stay and watch, or go ahead and skip to the end of the video so you can see how this fire first retwist came out, honey. All right, y'all, and we are done. We are done. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I'm gonna let this air dry for like a good hour or so to fully dry, and I'm gonna come right back. Right now I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks from the back, the front, the sides, and I'm gonna see y'all. Bam! We are dried. Yes, honey. Go ahead and shake those beautiful locks. This is what I used on my first retwist. This Tropical Roots locking jam. Okay. I don't know why I look like that in the camera, but this is just a slow-mo of the body yaddy yaddy of my locks, the side view and the back view. Look at those parts. Look at those. I'm so proud. I can't believe this is my hair, but it is, and it could be yours too if you do this method or if you follow what I did. Y'all, so I'm just looking at my hair at this point, and if I keep looking up and at the right sides, because my boyfriend keeps hyping me up, my #1 fan. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And thank you again for watching this video. Peace.
Draco. So she make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it